Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are making Play-Doh Strawberry Shortcake. Here's what you'll need. Red, green, white, tannish yellow, a plate, a mixer attachment, the Play-Doh mixer, Play-Doh bowl, spatula, and then what we will use for icing. Let's get started. First, it shows on here we need to make our shortbread. So how many shortbread pieces are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's make those first. Grab your dough. Push it in there nice and firm so it gets into all areas. Grab our mixer, add the attachment, and then put on the mixing bowl. Here we go. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. There we are. Remove that mixing bowl. Remove that extra dough. There's our first one. The extra dough on it as well. That looks delicious. Now to make our third one. Push that dough in there. Put it back. And mix away. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Very good. Take that bowl off again. Remove the extra dough. And there's our last piece of shortbread. Now, it's time to make our strawberries. Do you know how many strawberries we need? 1, 2, 3. 3 strawberries. For that, we will use the back side of our plate, that strawberry. Grab a little bit of green. Put it just where the leaves would be. Just like that. And grab a little bit of red. Squish, squish, squish. Gently peel your strawberry back. And there's our first strawberry. Now we need 2 more. There's our second strawberry. Very good. 1 more. Take off all that excess, all the extra. And there's our last strawberry. Very good. Now, let's put it together. We'll need our icing, an icing maker. Go ahead and put it in there. Get it ready. Take our first piece of shortbread. Let's put some icing on it. There we go. Put our next piece of shortbread right on top. We're gonna ice it as well. Oops, we need a little more icing. There we are. Our last piece of shortbread. Isn't that looking good? Put icing on that last piece of shortbread. Now, isn't it looking delicious? Now to put the strawberries. And there we are. I think we did pretty good, don't you? Okay, friends, remember to always clean up your play area after you're done. Please like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe so you won't miss out on new fun activities to try. See you next time. Bye!